Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very tasty evening snack recipe, crispy potato balls. It tastes so yummy. We need very few ingredients to prepare this one, which are readily available at home. Potatoes and spinach are the key ingredients to prepare this snack recipe. So let's see how to make this. Quickly you can see what all ingredients I am using to prepare these potato balls. Here I have 2 boiled potatoes. I boiled them using a pressure cooker and peeled off the skin. I mashed it very well to make a smooth dough of potatoes. Adding 1/4 cup of finely chopped spinach or palak. Adding 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 2 finely chopped green chilies for spiciness. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and enough salt. Mix everything together to combine well. Now I am going to make small balls out of this. If you feel that the dough is too sticky, you can grease your hands with some oil and make balls properly. So these potato balls are ready here. I am going to refrigerate this for 10 minutes so that this will not be sticky at all. It will be manageable. After that we can deep fry this one. Here I am taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl and mixing this with some water. 1/4 cup of water I am using. Mix well and make a lump-free corn flour mixture. Dipping each potato balls into the corn flour mixture, rolling it over the breadcrumbs. Coating well with the breadcrumbs, it will give a nice crispy texture for these potato balls. Here I am using fresh breadcrumbs. I used 4 bread slices and crumbled it by using a grinder. Oil is medium hot. Drop each bread balls and fry them until they get golden in color and a crispy outer crust. Fry this for little more time to get a nice brown color for these potato bread balls. This is a very good evening snack. Ingredients are very simple. They will be readily available at home. You can serve it hot or cold as you like, along with some tomato ketchup. It is so yummy. So these potato bread balls are ready. Transferring this into an oil absorbent paper. Final batch of potato balls are getting ready. Flame should be in medium. If it is too low, it may absorb a lot of oil. Spices and all you can adjust as per your taste. So our spinach potato bread balls are ready to serve. It's a very tasty evening snack and it's a must try one. So try this recipe and let me know your comments in the comment section. Until next video, bye bye.